Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about my 23 KTM 300 XC-W. It's for sale. I've got a 24 now, so this one needs to go. So I'll just give you a quick rundown on it. Plus, below in the description section, below the video will be a list of everything that's on the bike. It's got over $10,000 worth of accessories on it. Okay, so up front here, it's got Lucky cartridges in the forks. See those right there. Those are the Slavens Mule MX Tech Luckies. It's got a brand new Bridgestone X31 on the front. Titanium anodized hubs. The hubs are not titanium, just the color is titanium. TUbliss. Front and rear. Slavens Mule Graphics set. It's got SXS Burly handguards. And down there's Bulletproof Designs radiator guards. It's also got a bypass kit and a fan kit. Bypass kit is for the hoses, so it's Samco. And a Protec fan kit. Underneath there's an orange S3 Slavens Mule head. It has an FMF Fatty pipe here. E-line carbon guard. That's a brand new guard. Brand new AXP skid plate on the bottom. The other one was looking pretty scroungy, so I replaced it. Carbon up armor clutch cover. And behind it is a Rekluse X clutch. Fastway Evo 4 pegs. A badass Lucky shock, not Lucky, National shock. My valving specs. Back here we've got a zip tie shark fin, TUbliss also, a 520 DC Shinko, seat concept seat. Underneath the seat is a Coober ECU. G-Ripz bar ends, bomber switch. Oh, the Mako 360, one of the best things on here. And a couple of meters, a Tach, an hour meter, and a temperature gauge. Rekluse left-hand rear brake. Works extremely well with the Rekluse clutch. Acerbis 3.2 or 3.1, I'm not sure what it is, gas tank. Let me think here, guys. The bike's completely serviced. It's ready to ride. You don't have to do anything to it to ride it. It's got new tranny oil. Forget what all I did on the surface. Oh, air filter. It's got a brand new air filter in it. You got the Slavens TPS guard on there. It's got these graphics guards. It's got stock gearing, SXS rear chain guide. I know I'm forgetting a bunch of stuff here, but it'll be listed down below in the description section. Mileage. Let's see what it says here. 111 hours, 2,000 miles. So this bike runs excellent. It also comes with a piston kit. It's not due for a piston kit yet, but I'm throwing one in with it. It runs excellent, handles excellent. This has been a solid bike from day one for me. All right, guys, if you want to see it, it's at Slavens Racing at the warehouse. It's sitting in the showroom, actually. And you can see it there. Give us a call if you have any questions or email. That's all for now.